I got this in the post today. I've been wanting one of these for a long time now. The Breville 1 cup. This is the variable dispenser type. Seeing as only me that drinks tea in the house, it suits me just fine. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, instructions. Okay, instructions on how to use it. Also, looks like more common sense documentation. Let's see what else is here. Okay, it's well packaged. Okay, that's what we have so far. Okay. There's the, looks like the plate that it sits on. I'll have a look at that now in a minute. And then something else here. Whatever that is, we'll look at that. And now we have the unit itself, which is that's surprisingly light. Okay, we'll put that box. And look, we have these extra details on the back. 2 litre capacity. It's excellent. Illuminated too. Look good at night. Oh. Okay, let's see what we have here then. That's the base plate. Looks like there's a decent, I wonder if I could keep hold of it, a decent lead. Looks like a decent bit of lead there. Yep, decent amount. Okay, the instructions aside here. Oh, let's see what's in this guy here. All right, this must be the drip tray then. Let's see if we can open this up. Nice shiny plastic. Looks good. That's a fairly good drip tray, that. And that's metal. That's good to see. Okay. Let's open this baby up. It should be as easy to get out. Okay, maybe we've gone about it wrong here. Okay. Look at that. Wow. That's certainly different to what I thought it was going to be. That's much nicer. Although the picture says you never go by the picture sometimes, but that's much nicer. That's much nicer now. There's the, it's like the stop button there, and the start button, and yeah, that certainly sounds very solid, selector here, and I guess now I got the, wow, that's reassuringly solid. And then I wonder what that's all about there, but that certainly sounds solid too. Let's look inside there. I certainly saw that that's metal. That's metals are very, very well built. I don't know, we'll give it a shot. And I guess now I'd better assemble it now and see how it works. I'll do that in the next video.